Welcome to Data Analytics using Excel with AI tools, your gateway to mastering the art of data analysis in the digital age. Here I am Professor Praveen Parmar, having experience of over 30 years in the field of data analytics. I am passionate about helping others unlock the full potential of their data. In today's fast-paced world, data is everywhere, from sales figure to social media trends, from healthcare statistics to financial forecast. Every industry relies on data to make informed decisions and drive growth. But with the sheer volume of complexity of the data available, traditional methods of analysis often fall short. That's where Excel with AI tools comes in. By combining the power of Microsoft Excel, the industrial standard spreadsheet softwares, with cutting-edge artificial intelligence tools, you will be equipped to tackle even more challenging data analytics tasks with ease and precision. Imagine being able to predict future trends with confidence, extract valuable insights from unstructured data, and present your findings in stunning visualizations and resonate with your audience. Whether you are a seasoned data analyst looking to stay ahead of a curve and or a beginner eager to dive into the world of analytics, this course is designed for you. In this course, we are providing 30 hours live session with hands-on practice. Every day, 2-hour session would be conducted 5 days a week. Conceptual knowledge of every topic would be delivered first, and then we will do the hands-on practice on that particular topic. Here we will start the learning with some statistical concepts like classification of data, classification of analysis, measure of central tendency, the role of measure of central tendency in the data analysis, the role of measure of dispersion in the data analytics, correlation analysis, regression analysis. We will cover these all topics here with Excel in this course, and we will do the hands-on practice with real-time projects.